Hello viewers, I'm going to show you how to create a simple fast forward button in Unity. So in my scene I have a cube with a movement script, a capsule with an animation, and a counter. So let's start off with creating a button, and let's call it fast forward button. And as for the text, let's call it fast, and you'll see why in a moment. Now let's create a C# script. Let's call this fast forward. And before we get started with this script, let me show you what I have in the other two. So in the movement script, I'm updating the vertical position of the game object using mathf.sign, and then assigning that new position to its current transformed position. As for the counter, I'm incrementing the count by 1 using time.delta, but it is in a float, so I have to convert it to an int using mathf.roundToInt. Now let's go back to the fast forward script. We don't need these methods, so delete those. And let's start off with importing Text Mesh Pro, or you could import regular text if you're using that. And let's do a serialized field Text Mesh Pro UGUI, and let's call this fast and normal text. Now let's create a method, public void fast and normal, and an if statement saying if time scale equals 1, which is the regular speed of the game, then time scale equals, let's say, 2, doubling the speed of the game. And then as for the text, we'll set it to normal. Else time scale equals 1, which is saying that if the time scale is any other value than 1, then it's going to assign that value back to its regular speed. And as for the text, let's set that to fast. Now let's save up that script and go back to the hierarchy. And in the canvas, let's add the script that we just created. And we have a slot here to drag and drop the text of the button into. And as for the button, we'll just go down here and to the on click, let's click on the plus sign, and let's drag the canvas into the slot. And in the drop down menu, let's select the method we just created. And now let's test it out to see if it works. Alright, so the game is in normal speed right now, so if I click fast, it should go to double the speed. And if I want to go back to normal speed, I just click on it again. So I hope you guys found this useful. Thank you for watching. See you later.